Okay, so now we're starting with Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade in Ebony for the brows. Now brushing the brows, and I'm using this this angle brush from Zoeva to just cover up my brows. Okay, please, today was just a bad brow day. Oh my god, I don't know what happened to me. Girl, them brows were looking a hot mess. But it happens like that sometimes. You can't always get them perfectly. So I'm just filling in my brows, making a face for y'all. Yes, girl. So now using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer to cover out my brows, just to clean underneath and to give me that good brow shape that I don't know what just happened. Okay, I don't know. I don't think it's so bad, but I just know I always do better. So now I've blended the concealer out, and now I'm putting concealer on my eyes as my eyeshadow base. I'm going to blend this out now with a BH Cosmetics brush and use my Sacha Buttercup powder to blend it. And now using a purple matte eyeshadow. It's a single shadow. I don't remember where this shadow is from. And an e.l.f. brush, a blending brush. Applying this into my crease. And then I'm going to use a BH Cosmetics brush to blend it out. So I'm applying it into my crease now. Yes, that's the BH Cosmetics brush. Blending it out. So I'm going to take another purple eyeshadow again. This is a shimmer eyeshadow. And I'm just going to put it in the inner crease area and blend it out again. And I'm going to blend it into the first eyeshadow that I added. These are all purple eyeshadows, by the way. But the first one was matte and this is shimmer. And I'm going to add a third shimmer shadow as well into my crease. So just like different purple shadows that I have, I'm just mixing and blending everything into the eyes. Okie dokie, blend that girl, blend the girl, blend, blend, blend. So this is another purple shadow that I'm using again. We're feeling purpley today. Blend the girl, blend the girl. I'm using e.l.f. Blending brush, by the way. So now I'm gonna be taking an eyeshadow from Juvia's Place palette. This is the Masquerade palette, and I'm gonna be applying the eyeshadow all over my lid. Mind you, that is a purple eyeshadow as well. So I'm gonna be applying that all over my lid. And I'm going to be taking a lipstick and a liner brush. The lipstick is just a regular pink lipstick. I think the brand name is Beyond Beauty. And I'm going to be using that to line my eyes. You're going to see that in a bit. But I'm still applying that eyeshadow all over my eyes here. Just placing it. And I wet my brush. So there is a liner and the lipstick. So now I'm using the pink lipstick as an eyeliner. So I'm trying to draw a wing liner with this. Let's be creative, colorful. So I'm drawing a wing liner now, and I'm trying to create my wing. And whenever you're creating a wing, it's fine. You can do whatever you want to do and clean it out with your concealer or your foundation later. You can always do that. That's why I like to apply my eyeliner before applying my concealer at least. So even if you don't get your wing liner, it's fine. You can draw whatever it is you want to draw and then clean it out or carve it out with your concealer later. So now I'm doing my second eyes, now using my mascara from Zaron Cosmetics. I love this mascara. It's like the best ever. I really, really love it. It's very good. So I'm using my mascara now from Zaron. Now moving on to the face, using this Zaron face primer to prep my face. And I'm going to be using this illuminator from Maybelline, a strobing liquid from Maybelline, also as a base for my foundation to give me that inner glow. You know, we're feeling glowy today, baby. Oh yes, girl, give them that face, girl. Act surprised. Now using black opal foundation in truly topaz and uh, I don't remember the other one. I'll check it out and I'll put it in the description box below. Now applying the elf foundation brush on my face, the best foundation brush ever. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video, comment down below, share this video, share the love, share the love, share the love. Okay, please subscribe, please share. I need your subscription, please. Now applying the foundation on my skin, girl. Okay, girl. The skin is looking. Ooh, girl. Okay, so now applying the foundation and then moving on to concealer. Using Maybelline Fit Me concealer in 30 Cafe and applying that right under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, forehead, my chin, and my on the top of my lips. And as you can see, I'm going to be using the concealer to clean out my wing liner so it makes it sharper. I'm going to do that on both eyes. So I'm going to apply the concealer and then I'm going to take in a flat Zoeva brush to blend this in. I used to love using beauty. I think this is actually the first time I'm using a brush to blend in my concealer. And I love it. And I don't think it's a brush thing. I think it is this brush. Oh my god. Like the concealer did not move anywhere. But if I'm using a beauty blender, like it sucks it in, you know. It sucks in a lot of product. But this right here was just like sitting on my skin and just blending it in effortlessly. So this most likely will be like my best friend, this brush. This is a Zoeva brush. So blending everywhere that I applied the concealer and making these faces. Girl, really though? Okie dokie. So now blending the forehead. And I'm going to be setting my, everywhere I put the concealer with a setting powder. Using this powder from Maybelline. And I'm mixing it with RCMA no color powder. I'll just, you know, just checking it out to see what it would look like, you know, and I mix that and I'm using this Zoeva brush to apply the powder everywhere that I applied that concealer. So I'm also going to be applying it on my smile lines to reduce the smile lines and avoid it as much as I can. So I'm going to be putting my tongue in my smile line right there and I'm going to be putting, so as you can see, that's what I'm doing now, and I'm going to be putting the powder in there, emphasizing that, yeah, girl, that's my smile line. So that's what I'm doing to reduce the smile line. Now trying to contour my face using this Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. So I'm contouring my cheeks and I'm going to be putting on my forehead and my double chin. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to be applying this on my chin and then I would normally apply on my nose, but I just didn't feel like it today. You know, I have mixed feelings about nose contouring. So now I'm just blending the contour into my skin. And now I'm using this highlighter from Sleek. Yeah, it was bomb. That highlighter is mad, baby. It's mad. Oh, yeah. Okay, girl. Yes, girl. Mad. So yeah, it was good. So I put it on top of my contour. Yes, girl, shut up. Oh my god. Yes. Okay. So I apply the same highlighter in my inner corner, in the inner corner of my eyes, on my cupid's bow, the tip of my nose, on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, on my chin. You know, sometimes you just need to go in with the highlighter Now using this lipstick from Milani, name is Obsession. The name of the lipstick is Obsession, and I'm using it as the first lipstick. I'm going to be using two. I'm going to be using Jozi lipstick from Taos Cosmetics as well. The description box is going to have all the products used for this video. Please visit that. Please do not forget to subscribe. I need your subscription, please. Please, thank you very much. Click on that subscribe button. So now I'm using that Jozi lipstick from Taos Cosmetics. It's a nude lipstick, and I'm just adding it into Obsession from Milani, and I'm going to be using the brush to blend both into this lips. So now I'm just blending both in to give that ombre effect. You know. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. And follow me on Instagram. It is makeupbytemmy on Instagram. Please follow me on Instagram. If you're from like the YouTube fam, you can leave a comment on my Instagram. Also leave a comment down below and let me know what kind of videos you would like to see on this channel. Beauty related videos. I have some great ideas. Oh yeah, that was fast. Okay, so I used my lashes from lashbyglamgirl in Miami, and now going back to the illuminator, I'm trying to just, look bronzy and fresh, applying that all over my skin. I really liked it, and I'm just going in again with this highlighter, just going in all the way. Thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate. Thank you for watching. Thank you for taking out time to watch. I hope you learned a thing or two. Thank you very much. And that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. So create your looks and tag me on Instagram is at makeupbytemmy. Thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Why not share? Love you. Thank you very much. Bye. Mwah. Yes, girl. Blow them kisses, girl.